Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Degiro account. So let's get started right away. First of all, launch open your Degiro application from your app drawer. If you don't have the app yet, go to your App Store or your Play Store and download the application first. Once you've just started your application, you will see this kind of an interface. Simply tap on Open an account to start signing up. Select your country from the list and you will be taken to the sign up page. Go ahead and enter your email address, your full name, create a password for your account, repeat the password one more time, and finally click on this sign up button at the bottom of the screen. Follow through the prompts till the end and you will be able to sign up or create a new account. Remember that you will also want to verify your identity by uploading a copy of your passport or other government issued ID. You'll also need to upload a proof of your address and complete the eKYC process in order to get started with Degiro. So that's how easily you can sign up for Degiro within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.